Almost every facet of life is affected by public policy decisions at all levels of government activity, including healthcare, education, and economic policy. Solving public policy challenges is more important than ever, especially considering mistrust of experts, evidence, and institutions.
Unless we have effective ways to evaluate the changes that we're making in public policy, a lot of the money that we're spending in public policy is going to be wasted, used inefficiently, or is going to have unintended consequences. So in my view, this is one of the most important tools you can take away from this course in terms of learning to apply and implement public policy.
As a world-leading social science university, LSE understands the need for a different type of public policy education, one that is designed for operating in the contemporary global context. This mission underpins the LSE approach to public policy, which is explicitly international, interdisciplinary, and applied.
After completing this course, what we really hope you'll be able to do is go into a policy-making role and know how to effectively design and evaluate public policy. So we're going to give you the tools to think about what kinds of policy changes might be appropriate for this particular policy problem.
Join us for this 10-week online certificate course from the London School of Economics and Political Science.